Right now, billions of Australian dollars are quietly pouring into a technology that could trigger the most devastating financial crash since the dot-com bubble. The hype is everywhere. You've been told artificial intelligence is the ultimate wealth cheat code. Whether you're a student trying to figure out how to earn your first $1,000 online, or a creator leveraging algorithms for digital income, AI feels like an unstoppable force. But while everyday Australians use these tools to build their skills, the massive corporations powering this tech hide a terrifying reality. The math simply does not add up. You see it in every corner of our lives. From the AI chatbots we all rely on to the complex systems managing our superannuation funds and investment portfolios, we trust them with critical decisions. From signing important contracts to playing high-stakes games of chance, we believe they hold the keys to unlocking new opportunities and securing our future. But let's look at what's actually happening behind the scenes. A global data center boom has begun, building vast industrial complexes to house the servers required for AI processing. It's a race against time. And here comes the devastating twist. MIT researchers have discovered something insane. They call it the Iceberg Index. To the untrained eye, the industry looks like a towering mountain of success and endless profits. But beneath the surface lies a terrifying truth. The hundreds of billions being funneled into AI infrastructure are completely disconnected from actual economic productivity. This isn't about software. It's about concrete and copper.